Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of British Airlines and showing you how to effortlessly log into your account, whether you are a frequent flyer or gearing up for your first adventure. Accessing your British Airways account is your getaway to a world of travel. Let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and head to the British Airways login website. Now, once you have arrived at the home page, you will spot the login button and click on it. Here, you can enter your email or username or your membership number and your password and click on continue to log in. Or else, if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset your password by clicking on that forgot link. Also, if you are new to British Airlines, you can easily create an account by clicking on the sign up option here. Well, thanks for tuning in and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.